Gold USD selling pressure was potent in the previous week as the price moved below the 1900 level for the first time in the last 5 months. However, further market direction depends on how the Fed reacts to the US dollar during the Jackson Hole Symposium this week. Gold USD moved below the 200-day SMA level for the first time since September. However, the RSI in the daily chart is above the 40.00 oversold level, which suggests that an upside correction is pending. On the bearish side, a daily candle close below the 1880 static level could lower the price towards the 1850 level. Below this level, a 500 pips drop is potent towards the 1800 critical level. On the bullish side, the 1900 level is the barrier to break, as above this level, 1925 would be the first resistance before approaching the 1950 level.